Need to issue a refund to a customer through Stripe? Processing refunds efficiently is crucial for good customer service and managing your finances. In this guide, I'll show you exactly how to perform a full or partial refund in Stripe, quickly and easily. To initiate a refund, log in to your Stripe dashboard. Head over to the Payments section, where you'll see a list of all your transactions. Find the specific payment you wish to refund. You can use the search bar or filters to locate it faster. Click on the transaction to view its details. On the Transaction Details page, you'll find a Refund button. Click it. Stripe will then prompt you to choose between a full refund or a partial refund, where you can enter a specific amount. You can also add a reason for the refund, which is helpful for your records. Finally, confirm the refund. Stripe will process it, and the funds will be returned to your customer's original payment method. Keep in mind that refunds can take a few business days to appear on their statement, and there you have it. Issuing a refund in Stripe is a simple process. If this video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips.